Hi, this is Tyler Kemp with LATICRETE Technical Services, here with some tech tips for you. Today we're going to be talking about an ER1 or ER2 error code on our StrataHeat thermostat. Let's get into it. So there's an ER1 message and an ER2 message that you can get when your sensor probe is not properly connected. Looking at the back of the StrataHeat thermostat, you'll notice there are three little terminals here on the side. Here you'll see that each one of them are labeled either for control or limit, and then of course you've also got this center terminal here. So the center terminal here is actually the common power, and so that terminal will always need to be connected with one of the leads of the probes, the other lead in either the P1 control or P2 limit. When I do not have these connected correctly, I may receive one of those ER codes, whether it's an ER1 or ER2, depending on the settings that I have set in the thermostat and which probe I'm trying to read my temperature from. Let's take a look at the settings and see exactly what that would look like. So in the Smart LCD model, it's pretty simple. I can easily unlock my screen and use my Smart LCD touchscreen to simply navigate into my settings. Now once I get into the settings, I'm going to want to go down to Advanced Settings. And as I'm looking for a floor sensor, I'm going to pick the sensors and application. Now in here, I have automatically swapped my probe usage between the P1 and the P2 to demonstrate this video for you here. But as you can see, my Smart LCD thermostat automatically tells me which of my probes are connected. Now, as you can see, the disconnected option right here is currently turned on in green, and that is the reason for my current ER2 code. Now, if I go ahead and I turn that off, as you can see, I'm seeing the ER2 there. This is actually an indicator that there is no probe connected to the P2 terminal. And so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. And so now, as you can see, I've got both of my probe connections turned off. They're still swapped. As you can see, this is green, but neither one is in use. Now, if I go back to the main screen at this point, I'm not using either one of my probes, so you'll see that I now have air listed under my main display. And that means that I'm now using the internal air temp sensor, which is going to mean that the thermostat is always going to be reading off of the air temp in the room, in which case the floor heat would have to run to the point of actually heating the air in order to see these digits increase. Now, if I want to actually run off of the probe, considering we know that the P1 is connected, I'm going to go back in here. I'm going to make sure that my P1 is turned on, but you can see I'm still swapped, and I know for a fact that I'm connected to the P1 probe and the PC. So I'm going to go ahead and swap those back around. As you can see, my P1 is back underneath my control probe there. And I'm going to go ahead and turn that on. You'll see that I have no ER code here in the center. I can go ahead and accept that. And now you can see my settings are exactly as they're intended to be, especially whenever I've got that sensor probe plugged into my P1 and PC terminals. When I go back to my main screen here, you'll see that I have no error code, and I'm currently reading the floor temp. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any other questions about our StrataHeat thermostats, please contact our technical services department.